Hello children, here's a story which tells us how a goal can be achieved easily and effectively if we work as a team. T together, E everyone, A achieves, M more. The story is The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, a tortoise and a hare had an argument about who was faster. Hare, I'm the fastest runner. Tortoise, that's not true. The fastest runner is me. They decided to settle the argument with a race. They agreed on a route and started off the race. Hare, okay, let's have a race. Tortoise, fine. The hare shot ahead and ran briskly for some time. Then, seeing that he was far ahead of the tortoise, he thought he'd sit under a tree for some time and relax before continuing the race. Poor guy! Even if I take a nap, he could not catch up with me. He sat under the tree and soon fell asleep. The hare woke up and realized that he'd lost the race. The moral of the story is that slow and steady wins the race. This is the version of the story that we have all heard. The story continues. The hare was disappointed at losing the race and he did some soul searching. Why did I lose the race? He realized that he had lost the race only because he had been overconfident, careless. If he had not taken things for granted, there's no way the tortoise could have beaten him. So, he challenged the tortoise to another race. The tortoise agreed. Hare, can we have another race? Okay. This time, the hare went all out and ran without stopping from start to finish. He won by several miles. The moral of the story: fast and consistent will always beat the slow and steady. If you have two people in your team, one slow, methodical and reliable, and the other fast and still reliable at what he does, the fast and reliable chap will consistently climb the ladder faster than the slow, methodical chap. It's good to be slow and steady, but it's better to be fast and reliable. But the story doesn't end here. The tortoise did some thinking this time and realized that there's no way he can beat the hare in a race the way it was currently formatted. How can I win the hare? He thought for a while and then challenged the hare to another race, but on a slightly different route. The hare agreed. Tortoise, can we have another race? This time we'll go through a different route. Sure, the hare said. They started off. In keeping with his self-made commitment to be consistently fast, the hare took off and ran at top speed until he came to a broad river. The finishing line was a couple of kilometers on the other side of the river. The hare sat there wondering what to do. In the meantime, the tortoise moved along, got into the river, swam to the opposite bank, continued walking, and finished the race. Hare, what should I do? The moral of the story. First, identify your core competency and then change the playing field to suit your core competency. In a team, if you are a good speaker, make sure you create opportunities to give presentations that enable you to shine. If your strength is dance, make sure you give dance presentations. Working to your strengths will not only get you noticed, but will also create opportunities for growth and advancement. The story still hasn't ended. The hare and the tortoise by this time had become pretty good friends, and they did some thinking together. Both realized that the last race could have been run much better. So they decided to do the last race again, but to run as a team this time. Hare, hi buddy, how about doing a last race again? Tortoise, great. I think we could do it much better if we two help each other. They started off, and this time the hare carried the tortoise till the river bank. There, the tortoise took over and swam across with the hare on his back. On the opposite bank, the hare again carried the tortoise and they reached the finishing line together. They both felt a greater sense of satisfaction than they'd felt earlier. The moral of the story. It's good to be individually brilliant and to have strong core competencies. But unless you are able to work in a team and harness each other's core competencies, you will always perform below par because there will always be situations at which you will do poorly and someone else does well. Teamwork is mainly about situational leadership, letting the person with the relevant core competency ability for a situation take leadership. There are more lessons to be learned from this story. Note that neither the hare nor the tortoise gave up after failures. The hare decided to work harder and put in more effort after his failure. The tortoise changed his strategy because he was already working as hard as he could. In life, when faced with failure, sometimes it's appropriate to work harder and put in more effort. Sometimes it's appropriate to change strategy and try something different. And sometimes it's appropriate to do both. The hare and the tortoise also learned an important lesson. When we stop competing against a rival and instead start competing against the situation, we perform far better. True colors are seen better when we spread our wings, share our talents, explore what's within, and fly as a team. And fly as a team. Working together as one is way beyond compare than doing things alone. Best teams reach the best result. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the story.